What's up, y'all? Welcome back to another video. We outside with it right now, and by the thumbnail and the title, y'all know what we installing. You know, I've had this lip on here for a while, and I still haven't installed my splitter rod. So let me go ahead and show y'all my splitter rods right quick. Now I can. But move this to the side. Just got oil change. We got the splitter rods. I've had them for a minute. I just haven't installed them. I don't know if y'all can see that. It ain't really focusing, but got the splitter rods. I wasn't sure how exactly I want to do it. I thought about having it in the corner, have it coming out. Well, I don't know, or having it like this, or maybe having it, where is the thing? Having it come out that hole and do it like that. I don't know, or should I have it just go straight down? I don't know. I got my brother here with me to say what's up to the people.
What's good?
Nappy headed nigga. See, we both looking. Hold on, let me put. This nigga need a cut. Man, look at my hair. I need a retwist. I need a cut. I'ma re-dye my hair and everything. What you say?
I said we both down bad, right?
Oh yeah, you said it right, my brother. We both down bad. There's a little bug on my car. Matter of fact, let me close my door for a bug. You know, I left my back windows open for like on my lunch break and overnight. Yeah, so if I die, it was because a spider got in my car. Cause you remember that one time in the Honda?
Oh yeah.
Speaking of bugs, what is it? What is it? Dude, I gotta clean my car. Bro, I still don't know. Should I switch these out for the ones that like color changing, or should I just like
color change one? Cause then it matches these.
Yeah, just like the RGB WA. Cause I do got connectors, 2 open connectors in there, but I did want to get the RT illuminated badge there, but it ain't about that. It's about the splitters. We're gonna figure it out as we go along, but like I said, y'all, I'm not sure exactly how I want to do it. Which way you think we should do it, bro? Like, I'm gonna let you do it. We either, I don't know, like, should I do it like straight on? Or you think that look ugly? You think that would look that good? Straight on?
Like have it going out.
Okay, so like this?
Yeah.
So either like that, or have it from right here, like going to here. I don't know, what you think?
Well, yeah, have it like that.
Going to here like this?
Yeah, cause it didn't look good in the picture, and then when I saw it in real life, and it's like, oh.
But like this will look decent too, because there's a little hole right here. Have it coming out, do that.
Yeah, you know.
I don't know, y'all. Give me a couple minutes and we'll be right back. Well, it'll be a couple minutes for me, be like a second for y'all. So give me a second. All right, y'all. The first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna take this apart. It's not focusing, but damn, nigga, is not focusing on this. But there's like a little screwdriver part right here that you can take out. Undo that. We're gonna, I think we take this part off, and then we're just gonna screw it in to the front bumper. This little plastic piece will have like screws in it. I don't know if y'all can see it. Like, that's how I did my front license plate. It has like screws in it. Take it out. We're gonna install that in there. And then the next thing we're gonna do is put this back together. And then we're gonna pick a spot where I want to drill the hole. I'm gonna drill it, and then underneath, we're gonna take this part and just tighten it up on there. Well, we'll see. I'm gonna get back to y'all once I do that. All right, you guys, I got one in. Here we go. Probably gonna have to angle it, you know, sideways to get that little screw out right here. I'm not sure for real. I mean, you guys can watch other videos or whatever, but I think this is a T15 to get that screw out. T15. Then we're gonna put, he got the rod, we're gonna put the rod back on, and then we're gonna angle it how we want to. And then once we know where we want to get it, we probably will adjust it. Let me see, let me show them. Let me sit down, or have Jalen. Yeah, but you can put the screw down. Look at this thing. Record me doing this. All right, y'all. So like, to adjust this, you just take one end. You see, and then yeah, just makes it longer. And then we're gonna figure out how we want to get this in there. I'm gonna have to adjust this some more, make it way longer. I don't know exactly which side I want to do it from. Like this. Just gonna, a lot of adjusting and shit. Let's see. Oh man, this is gonna take a lot. Hold on. Oh no, it came out. Yeah, so don't adjust it too much, you know what I'm saying? Oh, this is actually, huh? Oh, it's because I didn't do it that much from this side. I'm tweaking. I was going the wrong way. I'm fucking up. But yeah, so we're gonna get this adjusted and I'll get back to y'all.
Yeah.
All right, y'all, so we got it in. I didn't lock it up yet for real, but I think I'm gonna go like around right here. There is a little piece underneath there, so I gotta be real careful. So I'm gonna go more in the back. Got my painter's tape. Scratch that off. You didn't have to pan up, my nigga. So we're gonna go somewhere like right here. I'm gonna try to get somewhere in the back, bro. This is the scary part, y'all. It's scary. It's scary. It's scary. So I'm probably gonna go somewhere like, bro, I might have to go in a little bit. This is scary, y'all. This is scary. This is scary for real. So I might go somewhere like right there. I might go like, yeah, right here. Pray for me, y'all. This is scary. Hopefully that's a good size. Cause boy. That's scary, boy.
Oh, that's perfect.
So let's see.
Looks like a perfect circle.
Damn. Now for this, the other part, for the bottom part to screw it in, I got an 8mm. So take this off real quick. We'll get back to y'all. All right, y'all. So I finally got it in there. My hair is, watch my profanity. It's making me angry, but I finally got it. I don't think this is going nowhere. Ow! I grabbed the damn sharp shit. It's not going nowhere now. Luscious hair, look at that. So all we gotta do is get this positioned how I want to in there. Well, yeah, I'm gonna put it right there. Then I gotta lock it in. I gotta do. Just scratching my nail, lock it in right there. And then I think, cause this ain't going on. I think it's just gonna have to look like that. Cause I can adjust it later and all that stuff. Just get it in there good.
Yeah, that looks good.
It's not going nowhere, so come on, Jay, let's take a step back and see how I look. How it look to you?
It look decent. It's not focusing.
Well, I need to do this. Let me see. Jalen ain't a professional, you know what I'm saying? He ain't a professional. See, he had to wait a second, nigga. See?
Oh, you
Yeah, it looks good. I think it looks decent. So, tell me what y'all think, man. Y'all think it looks decent on here? You know what I'm saying? I mean, yeah, looks decent. So, to be honest with y'all, I mean, it's gonna be trial and error when you do shit yourself. So, they here? Oh, them niggas are here with the pizza. Them niggas are here with the pizza. Focus. Focus. They are here with the pizza. So, with that being said, we finished this side, you know what I'm saying? We're gonna get to the other side once I finish eating the pizza and they got me cake for my birthday and all that stuff, because I'm 25 now. I know I'm looking rough. I wanted to get my hair done, but gotta pay bills, had to get stuff done, and she wasn't available. So, alright man, we gonna go ahead, eat this pizza real quick, we're gonna come back out, finish the other side, and then we're gonna show y'all the end process. Hopefully we can finish the other video with my tail lights. But yeah, I'm gonna go get something to eat because I'm hungry, so see y'all in a second. Alright y'all, so went inside, ate, came back out and finished the other side. It was good though, I ain't gonna lie. This man said this is what it needed. What y'all think, man? Make it look a little bit more aggressive. What y'all think? What y'all think, man? Is it hard? Is it hard? I don't know. What y'all think? You think it? Oh, fucking. I think it gives it a little bit more of an aggressive look. That shit hard. I like it, man. What you think about it, brother?
It looks dope.
It is not focusing. What you think about it?
It looks dope. That's that little touch, you know?
Yes, sir. And it was a good idea. I took his advice on making it go inward to out. I think that shit look good, boy. That shit look good. As he's walking right in front of the camera. Nah, that shit look good for real though. But y'all, I'ma leave the link to, I'm also leave the link to the splitter too, since you know y'all can buy it together. I'm gonna leave the link for the splitter and the splitter rods, and I think it ran me what altogether. It ran me about like 180. Wasn't too bad, man. I think it looks good. It looks good. The only thing is maybe because you know I'm not a professional and all that. You know this thing still. You know it ain't perfect in there. It ain't gonna. Well, maybe it's because I put it together, but it's not flush. But I don't think it's going to ever be flush because it's aftermarket. But you know, I got a little gap right here, but it still look good and everything, man. It look good. It look good. I can't wait to put the next mod on here. You think we might be able to knock that out real quick tonight?
Mm-hmm.
Hopefully, I might just do the middle part just in case, and we gonna see how that looks. But like
black that out so it can match with the split.
black what out? The wing? Well, I was gonna do the what's it called? I was gonna do the wicker bill.
Oh yeah, that
yeah, it's gonna have like my YouTube name on it and all that stuff. But all right, y'all, that's gonna be it for this video. I'm gonna leave everything in the link. I'm gonna leave everything in the description down below. I hope y'all like it. If y'all like the video, like it. If you dislike the video, Don't make don't matter to me. But I'm gonna see y'all in the next one. Make sure y'all subscribe if you like me. I'm messing up. But all right, y'all, that's the end of the video. If y'all like the video, make sure y'all like it. If y'all dislike it, then dislike it. Subscribe to your boy, and I'm gonna see y'all in the next one, man. I'm gonna leave the link to this in the description, so y'all can put it on y'all charges. I'll see y'all in the next one. Say peace out, nigga. This nigga. All right, I'm gonna see y'all.